Hey guys, just got a new item in, wanted to share it with you. So we have a lady here in Nebraska who makes an immune elderberry syrup. Everything comes from her farm. We're pretty excited to try it ourselves. Got the flu and all the other kind of nasty viruses and stuff going around. This was gonna help. We actually use this for our own family. I have not tried this one yet, but I'm very anxious to try it. Abby, we have to give her medications and I always hide in elderberry syrup. This one looks amazing. It's got elderberry juice, honey, lemon juice, and some other spices in there to help boost that immunity. Come and get a bottle for yourself, try it out, see what your little bits think. Come in, get your own. Thanks.